Hello, stream is working today, so I'm going to get straight into it. So I wrote this type class called cast storage, and it provides abstraction between the code that manages the cast and the underlying storage. And I've got implementations of this, instances of this, for storing stuff on the file system and storing stuff in the database. But it only works for cast so far, so I haven't moved the rest of the code over, things like topics and episodes. So the plan for today is to move that over, and I think I'm going to do that by creating new type classes for topics and for whatever else. And then I'll get the file storage and the PostgreSQL storage to implement these new classes as well. And then I have half an idea about maybe inheritance of type classes, so I can just have a storage overall. But I don't know if that works or not, and we'll see if I get to it. But that's the plan. So basically what I'm going to do is pick up from cast storage. In fact, what I'll do is we have this new run method. It only works for hosts and participants. I'm just going to start extending this so it also works for topics. And we'll just see what breaks and then fix it as we go. So run topics, and then some subcommands, and this will break, but it's going to be topic commands. Topic commands. I can't remember what it should be done in the file. Where was topics? Topic commands. That was it. Run and then subcommands. Okay, now this will break because the types don't line up. So topic commands.run expects something of type storage. So it's the old interface that doesn't work. The old type class doesn't work. And we have something which is which implements, or it's an instance of cast storage. So let's go and fix that. But I'm not going to have s.storage. I'm going to have, I think, task storage, which I need to create. So did I create it in cast? I'm just going to grab this because no, I'm going to grab a bit of this because it's going to be quite useful, I think. So we will create the new, it's not task storage, it's topic storage. Mine's not working very well. Topic storage. Okay, and it's not going to have add host, but it will have add topic and list topics and remove topic. And these are going to go from topic to those things. List topics will return list topics, and then remove topic will take a topic, and we will just have an effect. Okay, storage error, we'll just import. Oh, that comes from cast. That's not right, but I'll go back and fix that later. Okay, and then if you just look at how this is the wrong file, this is the commands file. It's not where it should actually go. Let me fix that before I go any further. So I'll delete that from here, and then we will go to topics. This is more like it. Okay, so now we have our actual data types, things like topic. So here is where I'm going to define this new class, type class, and then import that, save it, and we will export it. Like so. Okay. Back to the topics commands. So now I should be able to import this. Okay. Okay, so all these things like add, remove, and list, we will need to fix basically. Okay, in topic storage, we have something called add topic, which takes a topic and then just does a thing. So add really should just be add topic s, whatever that thing is. So just import this. So we're going to add, just import all those things. and it takes something type topic. And I have broken everything, so here, somewhere, I need to, where am I importing topic from? Here. I'm just going to import everything there. Okay, and then lift into IO. Like so, maybe. Still upset. Okay, I'm going to read the errors now. Okay, so it might give back a storage error. Of course. Okay, so in the cast commands, this one I think, we have a whole storage package. No, we don't. That's the wrong thing. It's this one. Okay, so there's quite a lot going on here. Yeah, because it's given a string actually. Okay, so I'm gonna not there. I'm going to delete this definition and say something like run add topic, and then define it. Oh, sorry, it's given the name. Let me define it again. There you go. Okay. So given the name of the topic, what are we going to do? So we need a constraint on S down here. So we know it has to be topic storage. Yes, I know it's going to need to be more than IO as well. Okay, so in the do, what are we going to do? We're going to run our new command. So this was our topic S. We need to get S. Right. So this is going to be called just get, I think would be enough on its own. So we call add topic S with the topic. So that's topic of name. And for a second, let me just do this. We'll throw away the result for a second. So get is scrolled off. Can we scroll down? It's the one that comes from reader. Oh, which one is it? It's not RWS get. Maybe it's not called get. Let me just go and check. Asks storage. Okay, so asks storage. So this we can say, getting closer, can I scroll this window? Reader asks, okay. And storage is going to come from append. Okay, so we now have S. This one will need to lift into IO. But I remember from before I ended up lifting a whole bunch of stuff into IO. Okay. And here, topic is actually of t.pack of name. Okay. So this will give us back a result, which is of type either storage error or unit. So we can then say case result of, that's the center, and if it's left error, then I think I can just say to dot, does it just print the error out, or does it throw it? I can't remember what it does with it. What did we do before? We print it out. Okay, so we can say to dot putstream, and we'll say error, and the error itself. So TIO that putstream is text.io, non-exhaustive pattern match. So let me just do write. It will be unit. We don't care. Just turn pure unit, and then this error we can't show yet. So I will actually. I could write tshow, which calls show on the error and then packs it into text, but it's not worth it because we only have one error type at the moment, and when we add more error types it'll tell us about it. So it's duplicate error, and here we can just say duplicate topic, and the topic, I guess. How did we do this before? Yeah, we created the topic first, or the host first. In this case, we'll create a topic. So we can say let topic equal to topic of t.pack name. Here we can just replace that topic, and we can say duplicate topic, and then topic.getTopic. Okay, means I can drop that out. Okay, so that should be the definition of run add topic. Yeah, I might as well write them all. So run remove topic name and run list. So let me start with run remove topic. Define it for me. Now we get the error coming up. I don't know why this happens sometimes. I might try a more recent version of the language server. That's the bit I want. Okay, and we're going to have some constraints on here, so it's going to be topic storage S and monad.io of M, those things. Okay, so given some name of the topic, it's going to be very similar to before, I think. Or maybe it doesn't return any errors in this case. Yeah, so I think for cast, the way we did it is it silently fails if it's not there. So it's not an error to try and remove something that's not there. It just makes sure it's not there. So this should be a little bit simpler. So again, we can say something like let topic equals topic of t.pack name. That I could do as being a helper. And what do we do with that? We call remove topic S on topic. We need to lift that into AO. Here we go, S. So S was ask storage. It should be it. Okay, and then last one we have is run list. So this is not going to be s.storage, this is going to be topic storage. Okay, So this will be list topics, I think it was. Oh, S. Means lift until means we get S. So S is ask storage. And yeah, we can use this form again. So we've lifted out in a couple of places. So let's do it once. Okay, but that should be it. So we get storage back, get our topics back from whatever is storing them, and then we loop over the topics. Why are we unpacking this? This is unnecessary. Because we can just use tio.putstrilin. Okay, so we loop over our topics, getting the topic out, and for every topic we get out, we're going to call postgres on it, the actual underlying name. And that should be it, I think. Okay, so we have a file called storage in topics. Which is doing a lot of the same stuff, but I don't need this anymore. So I will delete it. Delete it, and let's go to the cabal file because it'll get set, and topics.storage can go. Okay, so now if I go back to main, I have no errors, but I should have errors. Okay, I have many errors. More errors than the LSP can cope with. So cabal build, let's see what happens. Okay, so episodes commands for some reason needs topics, and API also needs topics, and topics commands still imports it. Okay, let's do the easy one. So it's going to be funny. Okay, so and that should be one of the errors gone because I haven't saved this file, I think. Okay, so episodes commands, I think it was. Imports topic storage, yes. Let's find out where this is used. So for suggest topics, okay, so it's going to be problematic. Let me just comment out for a second and say let topics equals that. It's not really what we want to be doing, but it seems to be the only error, so I'll try and remember to come back to that when we do episodes. And then the other one was that's topics API. Okay, so this is going to actually repeat some of the behavior before. Okay, so this I'm just going to have handle list topics. For that. And this is going to, this is going to unravel. And that's going to be a mess. So this is actually going to be app server T. oh sorry, as server T. And this should just be append handler S. No, app handler S. Is that right? No. Now I'm a bit confused. So the type of this is going to be as server T, app handler S. No, it's not going to be as server T. Sorry, it's going to be the same things as below. So it's going to be app ms, and then we'll need to put some constraints on m and s. Right. Let's do that. Okay, so listen to topics. We need to say S is asks storage, which means it needs to be askable. So we have our storage back, and then we want to say list topics of S. Should be it. All good. Okay, so to do that, we need to say that this S has to be of type topic storage. So we'll import that. Okay, asks is not in scope, so let's go and grab that. Should scroll. Storage is not in scope, but that should be easy. And then list topics. When we imported topic storage, we want to import everything from it. Okay, and that needs to be lifted to IO. Which means that this needs to be of type monad IO of M. And lift IO. Why is it not being used before? Confused now. Anyway, monad IO is going to come from control monad IO. Okay, so now we can list our topics, but we can't post and delete them anymore, which is a bit annoying because they were also in topic storage and they're a little bit more involved. Let me just switch this for a second. So we're not going to take storage, but we'll take topic storage. Okay, deleting topic, actually that wasn't too bad. We can say S is ask storage. I should have left the storage class in place because the storage module in place, because actually these are pretty common things. I'm repeating code. But anyway, we get S back and then we say lift IO, remove topic, S, let's not call it S, let's call it name, and this name needs to be a topic, so it's going to be topic name t.pack name. Why is that a string and not text? This I can fix. Sorry, this topic is because I'm not importing the constructors, but I wonder why is there strings and not texts. T.pack not in scope. Okay, I wonder if I can just change this to text. Let's find out. Going to pack it in that case. And somewhere up here, oh, not here, here, sorry, in delete topic, let's not capture string, but let's capture text instead. Because why wouldn't you? Okay, create a topic. Again, let's go topic storage of S. Let's call this name. Now this is the one that's going to get a bit more involved. So standard thing, we'll get the storage back. And then we will say result is, we're going to lift all this, I'm not going to lift all the so result is lift IO of add topic S and topic. So I'll say let topic equal to topic of t.pack name. Let's make it a text. Okay, so we have our topic, we have our storage, we call a topic on it, and then we can say case result of, and then we say if it's left duplicate error, we need to do something. Come back in a second. In fact, I don't know why I did that, rather than just saying undefined. Or hole, let's put a hole in. That might be a way to go. And write nothing. This one's easy, that's just pure no content. Okay, so this thing, oh, that's not the one I wanted to import, so I'll do that. I actually want to import them all, even though there's only one of them at the minute. Okay, what can we do here? None of these things are what I want. What's type of the whole? That type is no content. It has to be no content. Okay, that's not super helpful because really I'd like to return an error. Let me take a slight diversion here. Is there something here about errors? So like not a 500 error, but just some kind of error. So not found error, yeah. It's not quite what I want. Okay, Haskell servant 500 error. Handle application exception to this. What? Is this what I want? No. Do I want servant errors? Cookbook, that might help me out. Okay. Not quite. An overview, maybe not what I want. Customizing errors from servant. I just want to find an example of where actually throwing an error. No, I think this is really easy, I just don't know how to do it. I don't want to format the error. Okay, do you know what? Let's not do it for now. I'm just going to put it undefined. You might hit it at some point. I can come back to it. Okay, so that was all of this was so that I could get rid of. I've already done it to get rid of the import of topic storage, which doesn't exist anymore. This type is wrong because I didn't change it to be text, and now it's correct. Okay, now is the error I was trying to get to. So topics S needs to be topic storage, not storage. Okay, and then there should be an unused import here, which I can get rid of. Okay, so that's one of them. Right, so now we're getting to more interesting places, I think. In API.hs, not this one. API.hs, this one, top level one. Right. So this is going to be really tricky to fix. It's going to unravel because I want to change this to be topic storage. I don't want to be fixing the API yet, though, because it's going to take a long time. I wonder if I can cheat somehow. Yes, I can cheat. There we go. Okay, so we won't handle topics yet, but I will come back to it. Hopefully. Oh, session error. Fields are full API not initialized. Oh, I need to do that. Or that. Okay, so I need to remove it from the type and also from the implementation. Okay, and now down to source API. Okay, so we're not using topics anymore. It's not here. So what's it saying? Source API, line 18. Oh, there it is. Okay. Is this from main? Yes, it is. Okay, this is where I wanted to get to. So the library now compiles, but main, if I restart ALSP, hopefully, it should now complain because here, no, well, okay. The old run is broken. So I'm going to get rid of that. And the new run is also broken. Is this better? Okay. So we've got something, we've got S, and we constrain it to be something that implements cast storage, but we also want to implement topic storage. Okay, so I'll import that. And now it's saying, no instance of topic storage in file storage. Okay, so we need a new instance here. And then we're going to have to define all these things. And there's no helper. Oh no, there is not a helper. Look at that, a bit of a mess, but you know, let's do it without signatures. Okay, add topic. These are all undefined things. But anyway, I'm adding a topic. Add topic prime. This topic prime and remove topic prime. Will it fix this for me? Yes. There we go. Okay. So now I'll get it to define this somewhere here. Okay, topic. Let's go to that and import that properly. Okay, so given some storage S and file storage, in fact, and some topic, what I want to do is very similar to adding host. We need do.append file fs.topics file. That one, yep. And then it wants just a topic. So it'll be t.get topic. Is that right? Not quite. Pure right unit. I can drop those brackets. Okay, so we're not going to deal with any kind of storage error. We're not looking for duplicates here. We're just going to assume there's no problem. List topic. Given file storage and nothing else, we're going to go IO of list of topics. So again, I'm just going to copy it. Maybe, yeah, maybe this. Okay. So list topics. Given some files systems and file storage, we're going to read topics file. Okay, which should give us back text, and then we're going to call lines on it. It's t.lines, I think. Nope, just t.lines. Sorry, take it back. Okay, so this gives us back. Oh, let me apply it to things that come back from there. So we read this and it gives us, this will give us back text. And then this will give us back a list of text. So the single lines inside there, and each line we just turn into a topic, which is the constructor there, I think. It's not going to fix it automatically. Topic. go away. So first of all, this should be list topics. It's not going to be a bracketing issue, is it? No. Okay. So we read the file, and we've given it the path, which is fs.topics file, and it's going to give us back, oh, a list of text already. All right. Couldn't match list of text with text. Or maybe it's a bit more complicated than that. So hang on. Lines is that right? So read file. I'm going to tell you what the definition of that is. So we have a list of lines, and then we want to say pure of topic applied to all of the lines. That's it. Okay. Remove topic. I don't know how I did these before. Doesn't return anything. So remove topic. Given some file system, I'll go and look and see if I can find a remove. Do we have a remove? List hosts? No. Go on old remove? Yes. Which calls remove file, which reads everything in, okay, and then deletes it, and then writes it back out again. I guess good enough. So we read the file. In this case, it's going to be fs.topics path. Why is it not completing for me? Topics file. Okay, so we've read everything in. We generate new contents. Lift this whole thing into I/O. So we read the file in, we delete, remove topic is another argument, which is going to be topic. So here we can say t.getTopic. Okay, so we have a new contents, and then finally we write it back out again. fs.topics file. Okay, so we should go and grab these things and put them back in scope. So import class lift.io, and l.delete should be able to import list as l. Okay, so we read the whole file line by line, then we delete the one that matches this topic, and then we write the file back out again. Why is read file not qualified, but write file is? Because read file is a helper I wrote. That's why. I remember now. Okay, so that should be enough for file storage to implement topics. I think. Let's go back to main, see if it agrees. In fact, let's go and ask Cabal if it agrees. Not quite. So we have another error in main. Do we? Where is the error? It's saying so in HS line 32, which is kind of this one, very close. It couldn't deduce topic storage S from use of topic command run. And add topic storage S to the context of the type signature for run. Cast storage. Did I forget to save the file? Yes, I'd forgotten to save the file. That's why it didn't work. Okay. Cabal run this topics list. Okay, and topics. Let's add a new. Let's remove new topic. Actually, that's yeah. Okay, and then list again, and then we'll just add a new topic and list. Okay, so that does work, which is cool. So now let's break everything again by commenting that one out and changing it to use Postgres storage. And now it's going to say no instance of topic storage for Postgres storage. So we want another instance on here. Topic storage, PostgreSQL storage. So first of all, let's import this. And then let's create placeholders. So add topic will be add topic prime. I wonder if there can be some better naming for this. I don't know. This topic's prime. Remove topic prime. I'm going to import these. Okay. First up, add topic. I'm just going to go down here and copy add person. So add topic, given some connection and some text. We want to say IO either storage error or unit, and it should be add topic prime so it doesn't clash. Add topic prime. So given database and a name, what we want to do is this. So we want to say result is try just is duplicate error. Basically just copying what I have beneath. So we'll execute db insert into topics name. I'm a single value here. Question mark. Okay, and then we want to give it only name. And then we can say case result of, what does this look like? Left unit, so we know it's a duplicate in this case. Duplicate it's right. We don't care what comes back here. I think it's unit, but anyway, pure of right of unit. It's going to move my pure to there, and then we can drop it out of here and execute. There we go. We can add a topic. So remove topic. Again, we'll take a connection and some text, and we'll say IO of unit because we don't handle any errors in any particular way. So remove topic, given the DB and some name. Here I think we can just say execute DB delete from topics where name is equal to question mark, only name, and then pure unit. What am I doing? Okay, so we'll throw away the result of execute. Is that how we remove people? Yes. Seems to be exactly the same. Okay. List topics. We have a problem here because I said, oh, that's interesting. These take hosts, these take topics and not names, so we just need to do a little bit more work. So it's not going to take text, it's going to take topic. So this will become T, and it's going to be only T dot get topic, and same for remove. That should become T, and it should be T dot get topic. Okay, list topics. Give us some connection. It's going to return IO list of topic, I believe. So let's go and see if that fits the type. Yes, IO list of topics. Okay. So in here, list topics, given some DB connection. I'm going to go and copy the way we did this before. Because it was that mapping. It took me a little while last time, I think. Okay, so just drop that into here. So the result is select name from topics. No arguments. So I can say query underscore, I think. And import that. Okay, and this fn is just a topic constructor, which it gets confused by, so I'll go and do it by hand. Get rid of that. Okay, so we have some errors. Let me go and find definitely this. So we were not, I copied the wrong thing to start with, very slightly, but the actual type is not connection, it's PostgreSQL storage. Okay. So this has got a field called getDB. What did I call it previously? Did I call it anything? I called it S for storage. Okay, that makes sense. So here it's going to be s.getDB, and then the same thing for here and one below. So these are going to be PostgreSQL storage. Oops. And replace these with S, and this will be s.getDB, and this will be s.getDB. Okay, looks like it should work. I think. Does it build? Yes. So can we list topics? No, because I'm not running the database. It's kind of a good error, I guess. Is Docker running? Start with the basics. Docker was not running. And then terminal. Okay, and just make it a bit bigger. And then it was like that thing. Let's go and find here. Try it again. There we go. We have some topics. Good. So we can say topics, add programming, and that appears in there. And then we can say delete programming. Remove. Maybe. Yeah, there we go. Okay. So I can now, I know this second type class, so I can now manage topics to there as well. So I guess there's just more work to do basically. So I need to fix episodes, I need to fix the API stuff. I'm wondering if I could write it in here because I've got access to both of them. I wonder if I can create some kind of class where I say, I don't know how to do this, but I wonder if you can say cast storage S and topic storage. And then can I say storage S? This is what I'm wondering, if I can create some kind of like class hierarchy, or I can create something called storage, which includes all the other types of storage that we want to support. So rather than having in main, whoops, let's put it back in again. In main, rather than having here this long list, we could just say storage. In fact, I can test that really quickly, even though I was going to stop, but it's so easy to test, right? Drop that in here, and then can I just say storage at this point? No, I also need to explicitly say that they implement storage. Okay. And that's not in scope. Oh, okay, that's going to get a bit awkward. The principle might be sound. I just need to spend a bit more time on it. I need to put it in a file where basically everyone can import it without getting circular imports. Topic storage S. Okay, so maybe I can fix that in future, but I at least have these two type classes, one for cast, one for topics. I need to create another one for episodes, and then finish migrating everything over to there, and then clean up the code. It's not going to be next week or the week after. I think I'm definitely not streaming next week because I'm moving house. I think the week after I'm still not streaming. So probably back on the 21st of March. maybe a week earlier, but probably not till 21st of March. So you get a little break from Haskell for a while. But hopefully, see you in a couple of weeks, and I'll keep working through this and finish up this idea of having a swappable storage layer. Oh, I'll fix tests as well, because they got their own storage layer. But yeah, that's the plan. So yeah, hopefully see you in a couple of weeks, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.